What is the email address for Kraken? Introduction. Hook. Ever wondered why it feels like trying to find a needle in a haystack when you need to contact Kraken? Context. Kraken, the popular cryptocurrency exchange, is known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features. But when it comes to reaching out to their customer support, it can be a bit of a maze. Question. So, what's the email address for Kraken? Let's dive in and find out. Body. The myth of the direct email. Common misconception. Many people believe there's a straightforward email address they can use to contact Kraken. Reality, unfortunately, that's not the case. Kraken doesn't have a public, general-purpose email address for customer support. Understanding Kraken's support channels. Help Center. The first port of call should always be Kraken's Help Center. This comprehensive resource covers a wide range of topics, from account creation to trading strategies. Live chat. For more immediate assistance, Kraken offers a live chat feature. This is a great option for getting quick answers to your questions. Ticket system. If your query is complex or requires in-depth investigation, you'll need to submit a support ticket. This involves providing detailed information about your issue. Navigating the ticket system. Step-by-step guide. Walk viewers through the process of creating a support ticket on the Kraken platform. Tips. Offer tips on how to provide clear and concise information in your ticket. Common support issues and solutions. Address frequently encountered problems. Discuss common issues like account verification, deposit and withdrawal problems, and trading concerns. Provide solutions. Offer potential solutions or workarounds for these issues. Best practices for contacting Kraken. Be patient. Emphasize the importance of patience, especially during peak times. Be specific. Encourage viewers to provide as much detail as possible in their inquiries. Check FAQs. Remind viewers to search the Help Center for answers before submitting a ticket. Alternatives to Kraken. Brief overview. Discuss alternative cryptocurrency exchanges that offer different support channels or features. Comparison. Compare these alternatives to Kraken in terms of user experience and customer service. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Final thoughts. Reinforce the idea that while Kraken doesn't have a direct email address, there are effective ways to contact their support team. Call to action. Encourage viewers to explore the resources mentioned in the video and to leave comments if they have further questions. Ending. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.